Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 2017, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you the quickest way to activate Do Not Disturb. Let's use here the upper bar. Let's use it twice. Let's swipe to the left, tap on Do Not Disturb icon right here. And as you can see, Do Not Disturb is enabled, so now you can use the Do Not Disturb. And you may also find the Do Not Disturb settings, so let me do it. Find and select settings. Here you have to choose the sound and vibration, and scroll down to find Do Not Disturb. Let's tap on Do Not Disturb. As you can see, just use Do Not Disturb right now. You can also allow some exceptions. Right now you are using the alarms only, but you can choose the custom exceptions, and here you can handle with repeat callers, events, tasks, reminders. You may also allow some calls and messages from the favorite contacts or from some other specified group, and you may also choose no exceptions, so this is the most restricted Do Not Disturb. Let's go back. You may also use enable as scheduled, so you can switch on automatically Do Not Disturb, for example every weekend or every weeknight. You may also hide some visual notifications if you would like to. And that's it. Let's go back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.